Do you have big dreams but find yourself stuck on the couch? Do you plan, hope, and wish but never really take action? Today you will discover how ambitious people just like you fight laziness every single day. And how you can too. Stay with me, because your life is about to change. Once there was a young man named Alex. He dreamed of being successful. He imagined owning a business, traveling the world and making a difference. But every morning he hit snooze. Every night he said, "I'll start tomorrow." His dreams were huge, but his actions were tiny. One day, Alex looked in the mirror. He realized that he was wasting time. His ambition was real, but laziness was controlling his life. He felt fear because he knew that without action, his dreams would remain dreams forever. Alex began to think deeply. He understood laziness was not about being bad. It was about fear, confusion, and not knowing where to start. He realized, if I can understand why I'm lazy, I can finally beat it. Alex decided to stop thinking big for a moment. Instead of planning for $1 million business, he focused on one small action today. Just one small step. He wrote down one goal and did one thing to move closer to it. It felt simple, but it worked. He learned something important. Motivation comes and goes, but habits stay. Every morning he woke up and did one small productive action, no matter how he felt. Soon he felt proud, his energy increased, laziness started to lose its power. Alex realized his phone, social media, and endless scrolling were stealing his time. He created rules for himself. No phone until work is done. It was hard at first, he wanted to give up. But discipline began to replace laziness. One night, Alex asked himself, why do I really want success? He remembered his dreams, freedom, adventure, helping others. A strong reason gave him fuel. Ambition without a purpose is weak. But ambition with purpose is unstoppable. Alex tried something new, a small business project. He failed at first. He felt embarrassed. But instead of giving up, he learned. Failure is proof that he tried. Lazy people quit, ambitious people learn and grow. Alex realized that his laziness often came from low energy. He started walking every day, eating healthier and sleeping on time. Small changes in energy made huge changes in focus. He could now act when his mind was sharp instead of waiting for motivation. Alex started spending time with people who worked hard. He stopped listening to excuses and complaints. Being around action takers pushed him forward. Laziness cannot survive in a circle of ambition. Every small step became a victory. Even completing one task a day made him feel proud. He realized big success is just a collection of small victories. This made him hungry for more action. At first, discipline felt like a punishment. Now, Alex began to see it as a superpower. It gave him freedom. The more disciplined he became, the more lazy habits disappeared. Every morning, Alex spent 5 minutes imagining his ideal life. He saw himself achieving goals, helping people, and living freely. Visualization made action easier. Laziness didn't stand a chance against a vivid mental picture of success. Months passed, Alex's small steps added up. His ideas became projects, his projects became achievements. He realized ambition is like fuel, laziness is like a leak. Plug the leak and the fuel moves you forward. Today, Alex is still ambitious. But now he is no longer lazy. He wakes up early, works consistently, and celebrates progress. He learned the secret. Ambitious people don't wait for motivation. They create momentum. And you can too. If you have ambition but struggle with laziness, Remember Alex's story. Start small, build habits. Find your why, surround yourself with action takers. And take one step today, even if it's tiny. Your dreams are waiting. The only thing standing between you and your success is action. So stand up, start now, and never let laziness steal your future again.